So I use a 1 tablespoon, approximately 1 tablespoon portion scoop. You could use a, if you're not sure of your measurements, just go ahead and use a tablespoon measuring spoon. I like the portion scoop because it has the little slider thing in here that allows me to sort of get the goat cheese out nice and easily. So the goat cheese has been softened nicely. It's kind of a little cooler than room temperature. Room temperature can be kind of mushy completely, but sort of pop it right out into my hand. I'm going to take one of my grapes and just sort of nestle it in the center, push it in, and then just kind of bring the goat cheese around the outside. Roll it much as you would, I don't know, I guess like a meatball. I'm going to grab one of my skewers, push it through about 3/4 of the way. We just don't want it poking out the other end. And then I'm either going to roll it in the pine nuts or I'm going to roll it in the pistachio. So let's roll it in the pistachio. Doesn't need to go crazy, just a little sprinkling, enough to give it a little bit of interest. And I'm just going to put it over here on my tray so that when I'm done, I'll cool them. Do another one for you. Makes it nice and easy. The grapes, though, do have to be very dry. You want them completely dry on the outside. If they're not completely dry, that goat cheese is going to slide all over the place. Again, with the skewer, if you feel it come through the other side, just back it off a little bit. I'm going to do this one in the pine nuts, and they're all set.